Home Show.
John from the Energy Corridor has a question about ventilation.
Yeah, his new home, Tom, has 5 inches of foam insulation on all the walls and ceilings. So John writes to us, an interior elevated mechanical room had to be built to house the HVAC system up in the attic. But the subcontractor left these openings in the ceiling, as you can see in this picture here. So what's your advice for these? Yeah, what's your advice for these openings, Tom? Is there will be doors to close this room off, he says.
Then don't worry about it. If it's not air conditioned, it's fine. If it has a gas furnace, it needs the fresh air anyway. So any kind of gas appliance that might be in that mechanical room needs to be fed with fresh air, and you don't want to do it with air-conditioned air. So if it's not air-conditioned, and here's the key, the door you get will be an exterior door that will have a threshold. It will have weather stripping. It'll be treated like an exterior door to your house, and it'll be perfectly fine. I like the idea of mechanical rooms. I used to put them in homes all the time, or put them up in the attic and actually make rooms and attics and put all the mechanical systems up there. And it was good. And if you want to air condition it, you certainly could. It wouldn't make any sense except when you're in there. But then you would close up the holes. But if you're not, don't worry about it.
So you're saying that the subcontractor may have left those holes on purpose so if like a furnace is in there or something, it can breathe.
If you have, and I don't know this, if he has any gas appliances
like a water heater.
I don't know if there's a water heater in there. I don't know if there's an on-demand water heater in there. I don't know if there's a gas furnace, but if there is, then any air that comes in from the attic is a fresh air intake, and it helps feed the flame. So that's one advantage, and that might be why they did it. But the most important thing is if it's not an air-conditioned room and you're treating it as just a closet that's not air-conditioned, there's no reason to seal every little single hole in there. It's just not a big deal. And I know some people start to freak out about bugs and rats and things like that, but if you're worried about that, you certainly could have someone come in. And if it is a room that has, let's say, a furnace or something that needs the air, and you are concerned about rodents and things, you can have hardware cloth put up. A pest control company could do that.
All right. You got a question? Just like that, Tom can help you. Go ahead and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Click on that Ask Tom button, fill it out, send it in, and we'll do a video for you. We'll answer it just like this. And we post them every day at HomeShowRadio.com.